This video will describe the steps that must be completed before an eQAPP can be approved. These steps are outlined in the eQAPP workflow diagram in Section 3 of the FUDSChem user manual. Considering these steps in advance will allow you to plan ahead for who will be in charge of each step, increasing the speed and efficiency of the process for your team. After logging into our database, we'll go to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup. We have already updated all of the eQAPP tabs and are ready to move on to the next steps. For more information on creating an eQAPP, please refer to our eQAPP tutorials playlist, linked in the description. The first step after an eQAPP is set up is screening it for potential errors. For more information on troubleshooting eQAPP screening errors, please refer to our eQAPP troubleshooting tutorial video, linked in the description. Once all errors have been resolved and any warnings have been reviewed, the eQAPP will become locked for editing. At this point, the eQAPP can be certified by the person responsible for the initial setup. Certifying the eQAPP ensures that no further changes can be made, and indicates that it is ready for the lab to review and acknowledge. Note that when clicking the Certify button, you can notify multiple parties via email, and include a note in the Reason for Status Change field, which will be included in the notification email. Once the eQAPP is certified, it will be acknowledged by the labs under Tools, Data, eQAPP Lab Acknowledgement. This step is intended to give labs the chance to review the eQAPP at the start of a project. This helps catch any inconsistencies early and helps reduce said screening errors down the road. Note that special permissions are needed to be able to click the Acknowledge button at the bottom. If you are in the process of creating an eQAPP, please work with your lab to determine who will be completing this step. Your FUDSChem support point of contact can help with providing access to this tool. Please be aware that setting up access before the eQAPP is certified can help prevent delays with the acknowledgement step. For more information on the eQAPP Acknowledgement tool, please refer to our eQAPP Lab Acknowledgement tutorial, linked in the description. Once the lab or labs have acknowledged the eQAPP, we'll go back to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup to submit the eQAPP to the core for their review. Note that the Approve button does not become available until after the Submit for Approval button is clicked. This step gives you the opportunity to verify that all labs have acknowledged the eQAPP before moving on to the final review and approval. Once again, you have the option at the Submit for Approval step to notify multiple users that the eQAPP is ready for core approval. The process for core review and approval is detailed in our eQAPP review tutorial video, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.